I'm also more tolerant about things like mines because I know that all of our supply chains start in the ground. Everything comes from the ground. It doesn't come from the sea or the sky. It's all the nature around us. Um, and I don't think in the past we've done a great job in uh, if we if we're going to wound life with a big hole in the ground. Um, Perhaps we need to learn to restore that hole. And I don't know. I look at some of the open pits, and I think of the wonders of the world.